Master the art of using context clues in English test taking. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a very special topic that can be a game changer when it comes to English test taking: using context clues. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use the surrounding information in a sentence or paragraph to make educated guesses about words you don't know. This skill is invaluable, especially if you're preparing for standardized tests or academic exams in English. So, first things first, what exactly are context clues? Context clues are hints or pieces of information that are provided in the words, sentences, or paragraphs surrounding an unfamiliar word. These clues can help you figure out the meaning of the word without having to look it up in a dictionary. Here's a quick example. The teacher was loquacious, always ready to talk about the subject matter for hours. If you don't know what loquacious means, the surrounding information indicates that the teacher is always ready to talk about the subject matter for hours. From this, you can infer that loquacious likely means talkative. There are several types of context clues that you can look out for. 1. Definition clues. Sometimes, the sentence directly provides the definition of the word. 2. Example. A bibliophile, a person who collects or has a great love for books, can often be found reading. 3. Synonym clues. The sentence may use a synonym to hint at the word's meaning. 4. Example. He was so lazy and indolent that he couldn't get out of bed. 5. Antonym clues. The sentence might use an antonym or contrast to indicate what the word means. 6. Example. Unlike his cheerful sister, Mark was always morose. 7. Example clues. Sometimes, examples are used to describe the word. 8. Example. Arachnids, such as spiders and scorpions, have 8 legs. Now that we know what to look for, let's go over some practical tips for using context clues effectively. 1. Read the entire sentence. Always read the whole sentence or even the sentences around the unfamiliar word to get a full picture. 2. Identify the type of clue. Figure out whether the clue is a synonym, definition, antonym, or example. 3. Make an educated guess. Using the context clues, make a guess about the meaning of the word. 4. Check your understanding. If possible, replace the unfamiliar word with your guessed meaning and see if the sentence still makes sense. The best way to get better at using context clues is by practicing. Try reading various types of texts, newspapers, academic articles, stories, and deliberately look for words you don't know. Then, practice using context clues to figure out what those words mean. And that wraps up our discussion on using context clues in English test taking. Remember, the key is to read carefully and make educated guesses based on the context. This skill will not only help you in test taking but also in understanding English texts more broadly. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to master the English language. Goodbye for now.